Hello everyone, my name is Akbar and I would like to break the ice about the English. So what is the benefit of the English? So as we all know about the English language, English language is utilitarian and useful for our life. And if you want to communicate with the anyone, and if you want to speak, if you want to make the communicate with anyone, so we will need the English language, because if we will go outside of their country, so definitely we will use the English language, because English language is international language for all over the cosmos, because English language is spoken all over the world and around the world. Because if we know about the English language, now time English language has become the mandatory and useful language for all over the world. Now time every kind of teachers are teaching the English language to the children. That's why if we know about the English language is spoken around the world to make the business. Now time English language is very useful to communicate with anyone, because if you want to become the ammonopart and aristocracy person, so definitely we will need the English language, because due to the English language we can do any work and we can be the top dog person and ammonopart person and zenith person. Due to the English language, there are many of thousands work are being done by the English language with the another country. And if you will go to outside of their house and if you will go outside of their country, so definitely we will need the English language. English language is very big privilege for all over the India, for all over the world, because due to the English language, the help of the English language, every kind of business and every kind of meetings are being done by the English language, and many of thousands decisions have been taken by the English language. Because if we will go outside of their country and if we will make the business, if you will improve your business with the another country, so definitely you will need the English language. Without English language we can't do nothing. But Hindi language is our mother tongue, but we should not forget of this thing. Without Hindi language we can't do any work. But English language is business world language, English language is international language, because due to the English language there are many of thousand teachers are available here to teach of every students. Because due to the English language, many of thousands schools are available who give the English language, who give the English knowledge to children with the well way and with the every kind of good thing. But now time every kind of hotspots and every kind of bad things available in our social, and many of thousand defamatory and libelous people are available in India who keep defaming the English language. You don't need to English language, you don't need English language to communicate with another one. But I want to express the all over the students, and I want to describe this thing to defamatory and libelous people. We can't do any work without the English language. Because if you want to communicate with anyone, if you want to communicate with other one, and if you want to communicate with other countries, so definitely you will need the English language. English language due to the English language is international language, and due to the English language many of thousand privileged work are being done by the English language. So thank you for everybody for listening my speech, and that's all.